Hi, this is Scott, Kilo Sierra 6, Delta Alpha Yankee, and for today's video, we're doing yet another Yaesu FT-65 FT-4X Operator Series videos. In the previous couple of videos that I've done in this series, I've shown you how to add simplex channels to memory, add repeater channels to memory, and then how to allocate those memory channels to a memory bank. Now what I want to talk about is removals and deletions. And what we're going to talk about here is how to remove a memory channel from a memory bank. And we're then going to talk about how to completely delete a memory channel should you no longer need it, or you want to redo it, or for whatever reason you need to get the channel slot cleared. So we will start by turning the radio on. And what we want to make sure is that we're in memory mode. And of course, we see the M and we see the channel number there, so we know we're in memory mode. We're going to need to, and again, we're removing a channel from a memory bank, so we're going to need to enter into the memory bank mode. So to do that, as you recall, we're going to hold down the band button. And we're going to press the memory bank, or use the up-down arrow keys to go to the memory bank that we want to remove a channel from. So in this case, it's bank 10. Then we're going to short press the VM key. Now we are in bank 10. I have two channels in bank 10, and the channel that I want to remove is call VHF. So I want to make call VHF go away. To do this, it's somewhat similar to the process for adding the channel to the memory bank. So what we're going to do is we're going to long press the band button, and that takes us to the bank number, and from there we're just simply going to long press the F key. And now it brings us back to that memory bank, and I use the up-down arrow key, and because I only had two channels in that memory bank, it only shows TCRC2. So that channel that I removed, VHF call, is now gone from the memory bank. It's that easy. Now to check our work, make sure that the channel's still there in memory, we're going to exit memory bank mode. We're going to long press the band key. We're going to use the up-down arrow key to navigate to no bank, short press VM. And as we can see, call VHF is still there, but it's no longer in bank 10. So again, the process is real simple. Just bring up the memory bank that you want to remove the channel from, bring up the channel within the memory bank that you want to remove, long press the band key. It takes you back to the bank selection, long press the F key, and that's it. It's now removed from the memory bank. But let's say I want to delete this channel completely. I want to make call VHF go away from the radio altogether. So if I want to permanently delete a memory, and understand, when you do this, it's done. It's not coming back. So if you delete this from the radio, you're going to have to re-input the channel if you want it back. So to delete this channel, again, we're in memory mode. We're going to long press the F key to enter the set menu. And from there, we're going to navigate to line number 18, which is memory delete. Of course, use the up-down arrow keys to make that selection. So we highlight the memory delete line, item number 18, and we press the F key. Whoops, sorry, I'm long pressed that. My mistake. Let's go back and do that one more time. So long press. We're back into memory delete, short press. There we go. My bad. So what we're going to do here, it shows us the selection of channels that we have available on the radio. Now, in this case, I only have 3 channels on this radio at this point. It's not going to allow me, by the way, to delete 430. That's like a hardwired channel from thing. More on that later, but there's the channel that I want to get rid of. I want to make call VHF go away. So again, I use those up-down arrow keys to take me to that selection. So I go to channel 2, call VHF, and what I'm going to do at this point is just short press the F key, and it's gone. It is that easy, so you want to be very careful about pressing that F key. Just one quick press, and that's it. It is gone forever. We're going to press the PTT to exit, and now we look for call VHF, and it is now gone. So that's how easy it is to delete a memory, and that's also how easy it is to delete a memory channel from a memory bank. So keep that in mind. Like I say, it's not very forgiving of accidental key presses here. So when you start doing this, make sure it's something that you definitely want to do. So with that, I will bring this short video to a close. Thank you for watching and or listening, and look forward to the next installment in this series in just a wee bit. So with that, I'll thank you again for watching and listening. I probably already said that. This is Scott, Kilo Sierra 6, Delta Alpha Yankee in Southwest Visalia, California. Have a wonderful day.